In this video, we will solve one problem on Rodrigues formula. Okay, and the problem is express f of x equal to x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 2 in terms of legendary polynomial. Okay, and to express the function in terms of legendary polynomial, we need to express x, x square, x cube, x to the power 4 in terms of legendary polynomial. And for that you need to make use of Rodrigues formula, another form of legendary polynomial. Okay, so that expression is Pn of x equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power of n into n factorial into d raised to n divided by dx raised to n of x square minus 1 whole raised to n. Okay, so by using this Rodrigues formula, nothing but legendary polynomial only, we need to obtain the expressions for 1 x, x square, x cube and all. Okay, and then we need to substitute the same in the function to convert that to legendary polynomial. And now we'll see how to obtain these results. Okay, so first you write the Rodrigues formula, put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in the Pn of x. Okay, so when you put n is equal to 0, we will get 1 divided by 2 to the power 0 and 0 factorial and no derivative here. So answer will be 1. So P naught of x is equal to 1. So when you put n is equal to 1 here, so P1 of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1 into 1 factorial into d by dx of x square minus 1 raised to 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 derivative of x square minus 1 will be 2x. When you cancel 2, it will be x. Okay, so you have P1 of x is equal to x. And now when you put n is equal to 2, P2 of x is equal to 1 by 8 into d square divided by dx square of x square minus 1 whole raised to 2. Okay, now expand this x square minus 1 whole square by using a minus b whole square and write the expression. And when you find out the derivative twice, you will get 12x square minus 4, and on simplification you will get P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 of 3x square minus 1. In the same way, when you put n is equal to 3, you need to find out 3 times derivative for x square minus 1 whole cube. Okay, so here a minus b whole cube formula to be written first, and then you need to find out the derivative for the same function thrice. So you will get P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 of 5x cube minus 3x. In the same way, you need to calculate P4 of x, P5 of x, P6 of x and so on. Okay, and now 1 to be written as P naught of x. Okay, and here second result what we got, P1 of x is equal to x, that you are writing as x is equal to P1 of x. And here in P2 of x, okay, so P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Here you need to solve for x square. So first you will cross multiply this 2, then you are shifting this 1 to minus 1 to left hand side. So you will get 2 into P2 of x plus 1 whole divided by 3 is equal to x square. Okay, so x square is equal to 1 by 3 of 2 P2 of x plus 1, and here this 1, now when you multiply 1 by 3 to both the terms, you will get 2 by 3 into P2 of x plus 1 by 3 into 1 to be written as P naught of x. So you will get the expression for x square as 2 by 3 P2 of x plus 1 by 3 into P naught of x. In the same way, by using P3 of x expression, you need to solve for x cube. So after solving for x cube, if 1 is present means you need to write it as P naught of x. Okay, so here P naught of x is not, 1 is not there, so x cube is equal to 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 3 by 5 P1 of x. But in P4 you will get 1, so that you are writing as P naught of x. Okay, so in the same way, solving for x cube in P3 of x, which we have already done, and x to the power 4 in P4 of x, x to the power 5 in P5 of x, you will get the expressions for x square, x cube, x to the power 4, x to the power 5 and so on. Okay, so after finding these results, you need to substitute these in the main function, which to be converted to legendary polynomial, which is to be written in terms of legendary polynomial. Okay, now coming back to the problem, f of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 2 you are writing here, and then using these results, 1 you are writing as p naught of x, x you are writing as p1 of x, x square, the same expression 1 by 3 into 2p2 of x plus 1, nothing but x square is equal to 2 by 3 p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p naught of x. Using these results in the function, you will get this line. Okay, so on simplification in the sense, collect the coefficients of p4 of x, p3 of x, p2 of x in order, in maintaining the order. You calculate, you simplify the coefficient of p3, p4 of x, p3 of x, p2 of x, p1 of x, and then p naught of x. And on simplification, you will get f of x is equal to 8 by 35 p4 of x plus 6 by 5 p3 of x minus 2 by 21 into p2 of x plus 34 by 5 into p1 of x minus 32 by 15 into p naught of x. Okay.